Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Galaxy Watch 5 to your iPhone. First, download the Samsung Galaxy Watch application from the App Store. Make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is enabled and your watch is charged to at least 50%. This ensures a smooth and successful initial setup process, preparing both devices for pairing. It's a straightforward process to get started. Next, open the Galaxy Watch application on your iPhone. Select Start New Device and then choose your specific Galaxy Watch model from the list. A pairing code will appear on both your watch and your phone. Confirm that these codes match. This step securely links your two devices, establishing the essential Bluetooth connection for communication and data transfer. Once paired, the application will prompt you to grant necessary permissions. Allow access for notifications, health data, and location services to enable full functionality. You can then customize your watch settings, including watch faces and notification preferences, directly within the application. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the initial setup, tailoring your watch experience. It's important to note that some features, such as Samsung Pay and the ECG function, might not be fully functional when connected to an iPhone. For a stable connection, keep your watch and phone in close proximity, typically within 10 meters. Remember to regularly update both your Galaxy Watch and the companion application for optimal performance and access to the latest features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.